Oh, hey guys, I'm just checking out my favorite channel, Sho Me Tint. It's honestly one of the coolest shows out there. I don't know if you know, but you should probably like it, subscribe it, check it out, comment on there. The guy in this show is super cool too. Like, he's like super funny, great talent. I don't know, I just kind of like it. It's cool. He always has the coolest cars. You know, I would know from experience. No big deal. No, we're just having a little fun. I got some cool stuff to show you. I wanted to go over it with you. I didn't want you to miss anything. Shop's a little chill right now because we're kind of like, it's after hours. You got a little VIP access. Show you some stuff we just finished up. The guys are back here wrapping it up. My two paint protection pros just wrapped up a Charger 392. We did a full front clip, ceramic coating, full ceramic tint, looking fire. Fire, glossy Rossi. Tell me this thing, does this look coated? Which side is paint protection? Oh, look. Can you tell? A fingerprint. They hate it when I put fingerprints. This is actually paint protection. This is actually ceramic coating. Oh, that's like the two things people are deciding. What's better, paint protection, ceramic coating? You really need a little bit of both. You know what I mean? If you don't do all paint protection, you're still going to need a little ceramic coating. And a lot of that helps with the paint and stuff like that. A lot of people don't know, but we tint the full windshield in a 50. This is a 50%. It looks kind of dark from the outside, right? From the inside, doesn't look like anything's on there. You can do this too. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so fresh and so clean. Ooh, that's what you want right there. No more glare, no more oncoming lights, no more heat wave. Block the heat wave. We just did this boat. Check this out. This thing is a Vexus. So this dude loves this boat. And he actually had it repainted, and we did a paint protection over the full top rub rail. We pulled out one big piece on this thing on both sides, heated it on there, super wild. We did ceramic coating everywhere else. It's a marine coating, so it's gonna be good for the water. And it's, dude, it's a super dope boat actually. Like, I was checking it out. I don't know if you guys seen this, but look on the inside. I just love all this. Look at this. It just looks nice. Like, it just looks banging. Seems pretty nice for a fishing boat. I don't know. These fishermen take this stuff seriously. So I'm gonna show you the C8. My buddy Brian just dropped this off. Super cool cat. He went down and did the, what is it, like the Bowling Green delivery, where the museum delivery thing, where they pick it up down there, and he drove it all the way back, dropped the top on it. So something I learned today that I didn't even know, and is that they put a little sticker on there when you get the museum experience, I guess. It's like thugged out. Look, Thug Dug. That's Thug Dug, baby, right there. Look at that. Ooh, and to make it gold. You know it's good if it's gold. Solid gold. We're gonna wrap this whole car in paint protection film. We're not done working yet. So we're gonna wrap it from tip to tip in paint protection film. We're gonna tint the windows, ceramic coat, wheels off coating. We gotta go ham on this thing. He's in love with it. We're gonna make it last forever. So I'm excited to kill it for him. You know, it'll be fun. And then this is actually one of my favorite clients, super cool dude. And we wrapped the whole thing in a matte paint protection film, and he's in for his annual checkup. We're just going over the whole thing. We noticed a little issue behind the mirrors, and so we went ahead and took the mirrors off. We're gonna get this straightened out for him. He's catching some vibration, so we're gonna get that fixed up. And man, he's had a lot of projects for us over the years. We wrapped a trailer for him. I wrapped his mom's stuff. I wrapped his uncle's stuff. Like, dude, I'm telling you, like, everybody in his whole family's got something wrapped by Sho Me Tint. It's super cool. Like, and yeah, we got something else going on up here, a little FJ project. We wrap it in a matte black. It's kind of like a matte black. Yeah, looks kind of different than a normal matte black. It's like almost like a, it's almost like a gray. Maybe he changed the color and I didn't find out about it. Maybe it is just matte black, but it's like a little special. I'll have to look into that. Tune in to see what color it really is. We had a PDR guy come by and had a few little dents in it. I don't know if you can still see him, but like, if you did his job right, you really can. But they had like a couple little dings all through it. We had a PDR guy come down and pull it all off. We're smoothing everything out for the paint. It's gonna be fire. We're gonna pull the roof rack off. We're gonna have it painted for him. It's gonna get hot with this one, you know. We like getting into these projects because it's a lot of fun. This thing's on Gojacks. I love these Gojacks for this reason. Let me show you. Don't let me hit the Raptor. But look, I always feel like super strong. Like, I always feel like I'm like super strong, you know, because you can just push a whole car around. I don't know, I just love that. Like, I'll be in here at night just moving cars around. It's super fun. So we've got a packed house, what I call it. Tomorrow those two are gonna go out. We've got another one coming in. We got a little chrome delete with a grill out of it. We're replacing a grill on it. So I do have one more project I want to show you. It's a little Mercedes. We've got it blacked out. And on the way, I'm going to show you these little wheels. Did I show you the wheels that are all finished powder coating? Have you seen those? Those are sick. They're like a two-tone. You know, you can do anything you can put your mind to. It's all about time and budget is what I always say. You got the money, honey, I got the time. That's what I say. Not a lot, but I'm going to start saying it more tomorrow. So check it out. This is something new that we haven't done yet. So this is that autoflex you see me do on plastics and stuff to make it like black or whatever. Well, we've got a new avenue to make it color match. Super rare. This is the first time we've done it. We tried it out on this truck. Wanted the hood to match the grill to match the hood, or the rest of the truck, I'd say. First time we tried it. I think it turned out pretty good. Tell me what you think. You know, I'm super nervous every time we do something new. So you actually use the color code to get the exact color of the vehicle. So, and that's a wrap. That's actually wrapped right now. If I wanted to, I could peel it off and it'd be chrome underneath it. It won't chip. Then we had to match the inside of the wheels to the truck and the letters, and then this gray color to the stripe that we're doing. This thing is gonna be blinged out, man. Like whatever you can come up with, we got you. We got it now, so there's no center caps. When you see it next time, there'll be some center caps, hopefully matched, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, no problems. And yeah, let's go check out the Mercedes. Hey guys, I wanted to stop by the shop real quick. I wanted to show you this done. I don't know if you saw it. Pretty hyped about it, honestly. It's called Dyno Prism. It's on a C7. I don't know what you guys are doing out there, but check it out. We're doing things. This thing's fully wrapped. We did you know, autoflex on the mirrors. This thing is popping. Let me see, where's my light at? My pink light? Like this thing, I'm talking, pops. When the sun hits it, it gets these like really bright radiance. We love that. I'm gonna try to show you both of their color change vehicles together this week. It's gonna be super fun. So we wrapped the whole car in Dyno Prism, right? So that's cool enough already, right? So what I tell everybody is like, this is like getting a fresh paint job. If you really love the color, the only way to protect it, paint protection film. He's back in the shop. We're doing a full front clip on it, full hood, full fenders, full bumper, and maybe some rockers even. You know, we don't even know. But we've got a couple things. We're gonna go over the car, make sure it's all perfect for him. He's loving his life. Him and his wife both have color changing vehicles, and they are power couple. You know what I mean? Like they're rolling up, balling out of control. I love it. They're a super sweet couple, super fun experience. I'm glad I got to meet them. And that's what I love about it. We're having fun with people's cars and living our best life, you know? Okay, so I got one more I got to show you. It's pretty dope, but we're just doing some mild things to it. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, I want to show you this real quick. It's a Mercedes S-Class. I've just been informed this is the cream of the crop, which is a super nice car actually. And my dude brought it up. He's been here before. He wants to like trick it out a little bit. We're doing a chrome delete. We're kind of right in the middle of the process. This was chrome before. It's black now. We're going to go through and find all the little chrome pieces and we're going to get rid of them. We're going to make them gloss black. We've got one up front. Look, oh my God, no. We'd swap in the grill too. He bought a custom grill. We're trying to install it. He may have picked up the wrong one. We don't know. We're finding out right now. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes the customers be like, I thought that one looked cooler. Well, you know, only certain ones fit. So we may be doing a custom black original grill. If that doesn't work out, I got options. So we got to make this black. You know, we're going to do paint protection on the front bumper, front clip area. We're going to wrap it all up and make it look clean. So I think we gave it a tint job already. I think we got to throw a little visor on there still. I was going to show you this back seat, man. This looks sick. I love the way these windows look, actually. Like I might do a tint like that on my Corvette. I've really been digging that. I don't know why I've been into that so bad lately, but look at this. This is super gangster. Someone was just showing me this. Like, you do feel like a baller in this car. Like, hey, what's up? Yeah, I just feel like, dude, what? This is nice. Got little champagne flutes. You got to have that. All right, you gotta have a little push button. It's sexy. I think a Starlight headliner in this would be sick. Yeah, we're excited, dude. We got a packed week here at Show Me Tint. We've been jamming them out. We got a lot to do tomorrow. I want to take a minute to show it all to you. So make sure you check it out if you want. Just make sure you like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching the videos. Boom, 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 boom. If you want to book now, book now. Neighborhood Barber and Company. These are little signs I make for my dudes. They're just graphics. You know, we can put them on a car, we can put them on a piece of metal. It don't matter to me. But we got to, and check this one out. This is a big old barbershop sign. We're doing it 15 feet across. He's like I don't know if you guys have heard of Bass Pro, but it's right around Bass Pro area. And we're gonna try to get him seen from there. I was like, bro, no problem, we got you. Does that work out? Does it say barbershop? Did we spell it right? Oh yeah, barbershop. You know where you're at, getting cut up, ready to rock. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff going on. I should show you this one that's on the inside. We did this inside display, it was pretty sick, so I gotta make sure that I put this back. They'll open that door tomorrow. It'll be a bad day. All right, guys. See you later. Peace out.